Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to access NetSuite for training. To access NetSuite for training, you have several options. 1. NetSuite Learning Cloud Support, LCS, paid training portal. If you're part of a company that uses NetSuite, ask your admin or NetSuite rep whether you have access to Learning Cloud Support, LCS. Features include on-demand video courses, certification prep, and learning paths. Covers modules like ERP, CRM, Suite Analytics, SuiteFlow, etc. Access it by going to learn.netsuite.com. 2. NetSuite Customer Partner Sandbox. If your company uses NetSuite, you can ask for access to the Sandbox or training environment. Use it for hands-on practice without affecting live data. 3. Free NetSuite demo or trial, limited. NetSuite does not offer a public free trial, but you can contact Oracle NetSuite sales to request a demo or limited-time Sandbox access for evaluation. Useful if you're an evaluator or business owner considering adoption. 4. SweetAnswers Official Help Center, free for customers. Access detailed guides, how-to articles, and videos via Support SweetAnswers in your NetSuite account, or go to sweetanswers.custhelp.com. 5. Online courses and tutorials for everyone. If you don't have NetSuite access yet, you can still learn through online platforms such as Udemy, practical NetSuite courses with walkthroughs, LinkedIn Learning, introductory NetSuite ERP and CRM lessons, YouTube free tutorials and overviews, search NetSuite training. Start with topics like navigating the UI and dashboards, creating records, invoices, bills, customers. Save searches and reports, basic accounting workflows, O2C, P2P.
And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more NetSuite tips and insights. See you in the next one.